Welcome back. Let's go across now to my colleague Shweta Rajpal Kohli for the big business stories of the day and of course that big headline, the sliding prices of gold.
Gold prices have hit 5-year lows, and is it happening because the demand is low, or is this something that's going to spur demand further? First, a look at why is it that gold prices have been slipping? What's the reason why we're seeing gold literally losing its sheen? First, to tell you the levels, gold futures on the MCX, on the exchange MCX, had actually slipped below the 25,000 rupee mark for 10 grams, and that's why it's gone to a 5-year low. We'll show you how the prices were today, but for now at least going below the 25,000 mark for 10 grams is clearly something we haven't seen in a long time. Experts in fact are saying that gold will remain subdued. In fact, at least for another year you're going to see gold prices continuing to remain subdued. Why is it that we're seeing gold prices falling? Well, clearly dollar has been strengthening, and the dollar is strengthening in anticipation of interest rates in the US clearly going up. So the reason why we're seeing this happen is dollar is strengthening as interest rates in the US are expected to rise soon, and that's the reason why we're seeing in fact a complete investment drive towards the dollar right now that continues to strengthen, and that's why demand for gold is going down. So globally the demand for gold is weak, even in terms of domestic terms. In India, which is one of the largest buyers of gold worldwide, we've seen demand clearly slipping, and imports have fallen sharply in the last 3 months or so. So for the first time we're actually seeing in a long time that gold demand in India is also weakening, and that's also seen, this is a trend we're also seeing in the rural sector, especially where gold demand has gone down, and that speaks a lot about what's really happening in terms of the rural distress that is there. Let's now take a look at today's gold prices, and that's important before we come to the impact. Let's take a look at where gold was today and the kind of losses we've seen just in one day. So in terms of a fall that we've seen in a single day, this is perhaps a very steep fall. 356 rupees off on 10 grams today itself. So gold now down to about 25,142. That's a drop of 1.4% on gold prices. This is as per MCX gold index. This is for the month of July that we're showing you. 354 rupees loss that we've seen today itself. Now obviously jewelers are rejoicing this drop, and that's why we saw all the jewelry stocks in the green today. We could pull that up quickly. The exporters as well as the jewelry, the gold makers, all of those stocks did very well. A 13% jump for Gitanjali Gems. TBZ saw nearly 10% gains. PC Jewelers was up 3%. So all the counters in this trade, in this area, really shot up in trade today on account of the fact that we've seen gold prices slipping so much today and have now touched 5-year lows. That's all from me. It's time for a break. Lots more coming up on the other side.